Hi guys, let's look at this simple question that we have here. We're told to calculate the area of the triangle below. So here we have a triangle and we're expected to calculate the area. Most times when we are given questions to calculate the area, we use the formula half base times height. For example, if we are given a question like this, and if we have the base to be 4 and the height to be 9, it's very easy to calculate the area using half base times height. But you can see a very clear difference between this question and this question. Here we are not given the height. We could assume this to be the base, but we are not given any vertical height. So it is a little bit more complex to calculate the area of a triangle when the three sides are given. But in today's lesson, we're going to look at a simple formula that we can use to get this done. Let's look at it. So the formula we're going to use today to calculate the area of a triangle when the three sides are given is called the Heron's formula. It states that the area of a triangle is equal to the square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b, and c are the three given sides of the triangle, while s is called the semi-perimeter of the triangle. You get this by adding the three sides together and dividing by 2. So let's find the value of s. S is equal to 8 plus 3 plus 9 divided by 2. This will give us 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. So we have 20 all over 2. Therefore, the value of s is equal to 10. So now that we know the value of s to be equal to 10, we can assume a to be 8, b to be 3, and c to be 9. Whichever alphabet you allocate to any of the three sides, you are going to get the same answer. Let's go ahead to substitute a, b, c, and s into the formula. So we're going to have square root of 10, remember s is equal to 10, into 10 minus 8, into 10 minus 3, into 10 minus 9. So 10 minus 8 is going to give us 2. So we'll have square root of 10 times 2 times 10 minus 3 is going to give us 7 times 10 minus 9 is going to give us 1. So now we have 10 times 2, that's 20. 20 times 7, that's 140. 140 times 1 is equal to 140. So A is equal to square root of 140. So now what do we have as the square root of 140? If you use your calculator, you're going to find out that the square root of 140 is 11.8. So this means the area of this triangle is 11.8 meter squared. Very simple. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and I also hope you understood what we did. If you understood, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.